Ding dong ding dong. Welcome to Quizzy Lion, my little friends.
Hi my little friends. Welcome to Quizzy Lion, let's play and learn together. Let's play a fun math quiz. Can you solve all 25 questions? How many apples in all? Correct, it's 5. What is 2 plus 1? Correct, it's 3. What comes after 19? Correct, it's 20. 6 minus 4 equals. Correct, it's 2. How many sides does a triangle have? Correct, it's 3. Which number is greater, 42 or 24? Correct, it's 42. 5 multiplied by 2 equals what? Correct, it's 10. What is 9 divided by 3? Correct, it's 3. Which coin is more, 5 rupees or 2 rupees? Correct, it's 5. Which shape has no corners? Correct, it's circle. What is 4 plus 6? Correct, it's 10. Count the chicks. Correct, it's 3. What is 10 minus 1? Correct, it's 9. What is 3 more than 7? Correct, it's 10. If you are still watching this video, then definitely are a genius, so do not forget to complete this video. 3 multiplied by 4 equals what? Correct, it's 12. What number comes before 15? Correct, it's 14. What shape is a pizza? Correct, it's circle. 16 divided by 2 equals what? Correct, it's 8. Which is the odd number? Correct, it's 7. What's the shorter object, pencil or bus? Correct, it's pencil. How many elephants are there? Correct, it's 4. What is 9 minus 4? Correct, it's 5. 16 divided by 2 equals what? Correct, it's 8. Which object is a rectangle? Correct, it's book. Which number is less, 5 or 8? Correct, it's 5. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.